You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Of capital is one of the challenges that we're facing in our time. According to the information that we have, by March 2024, the domestic credit stood at 42.3 billion Uganda shillings. 42.3 billion Uganda shillings. And out of this, 55.9 was to the private sector and 40.8 went to government. So meaning that actually the private sector is the biggest consumer of the credit available in our country. But unfortunately, they are accessing these resources at an average rate of 17.4%. This cost of money, 17.4% average cost of money, compared to the internal rate of return in the country of 14%, still stands high. Meaning that's not, you cannot borrow money at 17.4% and make profit, internal rate of return which stands now at 14%, comfortably. You are going to struggle to make money if you go to the bank. So that's the reason why we are here. So the 17.4% cost of money still stands high in terms of commercial banks.
We
so
know
the MD of
that
my bank, the Diamond Trust Bank, and other commercial institutions which are here, Standard Chartered Bank, Centenary Bank. I hope really you can help us, because the commercial banks, at one stage they said, you know, the risk is too high. We don't know where our clients are. We don't know their credit history. We don't know this and that. Now you know this information. The manufacturers, you know where they're operating from. Their history, you know them. So MDs who are here, we don't know why. The risk now we are talking about. You know, we don't know the risks you are now talking about. Because as government, we have tried to label them for you. But the cost of money still remains high. 17.4% on average. For the manufacturer is extremely high. So what does government policy options do we have to help the manufacturers? One is to reduce the cost of doing business. And I want to thank the country manager of ADB for the support you have given us to build roads in the country. That's reducing the cost of transport. Because when you manufacture, you need your goods to be transported. I used to take 8
ate abantu abasinga abakola osoka jiga butandikira mu kusubula jini omanya abakola jini omanya jini ezitambula omanya emission ezitambula kakati buvaawo bwogula kuma katunga jini oba omanyi kyogenda okutunga oba omanyi agenda okigula oba omanyi style eziriko kikwangwira amangu nnyo ekizibu ekibadde kikyaliwo ng'abantu tebafuna sente zitandika miliyoni sente zebafuna za short term bakiyita entya nti azifunira emyezi 6 sente ezikola manufacturing teziba za myezi 6 ziba za myaka weewola sente emyaka 10 naye ate tusobola kwewola sente za myaka 10-15 nga ziri ku magoba eri waggulu gezirina okubeera ku magoba agowansi nsiko so that wonotuukira okusasula okukola sente osasule ng'ate tizizadde nnyo magoba kakati ekyo n'olwekyo kisobokera ddala omusuubuzi kutandika okukola ebintu n'agenda mpola ng'agaziwa bwadde mala